Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Learning is fun. So today's topic is about transformation of sentence. Here we will learn about how to change simple sentence into complex, then simple into compound. Next we will take compound sentence into simple sentence, then into complex sentence. Then we will learn how to transform complex sentence into simple sentence and then into compound sentence. So it is very easy to do that. Just be with me till the end of the video and then you could find how simple it was. So transformation of simple sentence into compound sentence could be done by using any one of the method below. So these are the first we will do by expanding the words or the phrases into coordinate clause. The second is using coordinating conjunction. So I will explain one by one each. First we will start with expanding the words or the phrase into coordinate clause of simple sentence. A simple sentence can be split into coordinate clause and joined by conjunction to form compound sentence, which is the essence of the to be a compound sentence. What is that? That is to that two principal clause should be connected with each other by using this conjunction, coordinating conjunction. So example will make the concept more clear. Raman could not accomplish his dreams on account of financial problem. So this is the simple sentence. Why? Because it have one subject and and one predicate. So how to split this into compound sentence? Just see the sentence. There were financial problems and so Raman could not accomplish his dream. Just go through the first sentence, that read the sentence very carefully and then analyze that from where we can split the sentence. That is, we in this sentence we are talking about two things, that Raman could not accomplish his dream. What is the reason? Because of the financial problem. So there are two sentences and we have joined it and made it as a simple sentence. Just see. So here we in this sentence we are talking about two facts, that is Raman could not accomplish his dream and the financial problem. So we did the same thing here in the next sentence where we have transformed this simple into compound sentence. So the first is there were financial problems and so here we are giving the reason, and so, and it is what? It is a conjunction. Here we have added the conjunction to make simple into compound sentence. And so Raman could not accomplish his dreams. So by using the conjunction we can change the simple sentence into compound sentence. Only the thing is, as soon as you get the simple sentence, just analyze from where we could split, and how we can split it by seeing the meaning of the sentence. So here we are talking about the two events, that is Raman could not accomplish his dream and the second is financial problem. So in the same way here also we did the same. The two sentences we made each as a principal clause and we have added two principal clauses by using the conjunction. Hope this have cleared your doubt. Let's move towards the next, that is using the coordinating conjunction. So coordinating conjunction are, these are the list: for, and, nor, but, or, so, yet, and so on. So example, by using these words we can change a simple sentence into a compound sentence. Let's see the example. At the second reminder, the document was submitted by him. Again, we are talking about simple sentence. Why it is simple? We are here. It have only one subject and rest are the predicate. Here once again, just see we are talking about two events. That is, at the second reminder, this is the first event and the second is the document was submitted by him. So just see how we have splitted it. So he received the second reminder and here we have used, just see the list. Here we have used the coordinating conjunction and he submitted the document. So here we have splitted the sentence into two principal clauses. He received the second reminder and he submitted the document. These are the two different sentences and these are joined by using coordinating conjunction and become one in all. So this is the example of compound sentence. Second example, you must put your best efforts to break the record. So it is again a simple sentence because we have only one subject, that is you, and we have two events, that is you must put your best effort. This is the one event, and the second is to break the record. Now see how we are splitting the sentence. You must put your best efforts, or here again see, here is the that word coordinating conjunction we have used here, or you will not break the record. Why we have used here not? Because just see, you must put your best effort to break the record. Means if you don't put your best effort, what will happen? You cannot break the record. So we have used here or. Clear? So let's move to the next, that is how to transform a simple into complex sentence. So let's start. A simple sentence can be transformed into complex sentence by using the following method. First, that is expanding a word or phrase into a dependent or a subordinating clause. Because to be a complex sentence, what we need? We need one principal clause and more than one principal clause and one or more subordinating clause. So it is very necessary that we have to split the sentence to find the principal clause and dependent clause. So and the subordinate clause may be, after splitting the sentence, whatever subordinate clause we get, it may be noun clause or it may be adjective clause or the adverb clause. Let's see the example and the concept will be clear to you. So the examples are, we hoped to win under 19 World Cup. So it is a simple sentence. Why? Because we have only one subject, that is we, and rest comes under the predicate. So just once again, just try to analyze the sentence very carefully and just see how many events are there. So in this sentence we have two events. So what are they? That is we hoped, and the second is to win the under 19 World Cup. Two events are there. Now we will split the sentence, and before we split, we have to split the sentence in such a way that one of the sentence should be a principal clause and the other should be the subordinating clause. How we have did, just see. We hoped that we would win under 19 World Cup. So why it is complex sentence? Because we hoped, it is a principal clause here, and that we would win the under 19 is a subordinating clause. And why subordinating? Because subordinating conjunction is being added here. So the whole sentence depend on the principal clause to get its complete meaning. So it is an example of complex sentence and it is also a noun clause. Next we can see the next example, mother rises with the sun. It is again a simple sentence because here the subject is mother. But here again two events, that is mother rises, it is first event, and the second is with the sun, means what the sun is doing. Here when the sun rises, mother also rises. Here the two events are there. We are talking about two things. So we have the two subject, that is mother and son. Just see how we have split it, the sentence. Mother rises when the sun rises. Again, this part of the sentence is principal clause and the other end, that is when the sun rises, is a subordinating conjunction, subordinating clause, and when here it acts as a subordinating conjunction. So the here whole part, when the sun rises, is a subordinating clause. And which types of sentence it becomes? It becomes a complex sentence. Why? Because it have one principal clause, and for complex sentence it need one or more subordinating clause. So it have one principal clause and one subordinating clause. It may have more than one subordinating clause, but at least it should have one subordinating clause. So here we can find that it have one principal clause and one subordinating clause. And since here when is talking about rises, so therefore it is a adverb clause. So to get more information about noun clause, adverb clause or adjective clause, please refer my video where I have explained about the clauses and its types. So next is how to transform a compound sentence into a simple sentence. Let's see. Compound sentence can be transformed into a simple sentence using any one of the method. So how? The first is participle for a finite verb. Second is preposition for a clause. Third is infinitive for a finite verb. So let's start one by one and make the concept clear how these are working. So let's start. Transformation of compound sentence into a principal sentence by participle or finite verb. So participle means what? Participle means, yes, here the participle means present participle, past participle or perfect participle. And finite verb means V1, V2, V3. So V1, V2 means we can take any example. For example, write, wrote, written. So this is the all are finite verb. And what is finite verb? So please refer my video where I have explained about the finite verbs, finite and non-finite both. So let's take the example. Ben took his luggage and boarded the flight. It is a compound sentence. Why? Because here coordinating conjunction has been used and we have two sentences, two principal clause. That is Ben took his luggage and Ben boarded the flight. So we have two principal clause. Now just see how we will convert the compound sentence into a simple sentence. So what we have to I have told, that is here participle means present participle. What is present participle? Using V1 plus ing, means if the word is play, we can use ing, that the play becomes playing. So here just see which word can be converted into a present participle. So here we can take took as a present participle. So the original form of took is V1 part of the took is, that is take. So by changing this is changing into present participle, take, taking. Taking his luggage, Ben boarded the flight. So it is a example of simple sentence. Next, that is transformation of compound sentence into simple sentence by using principle of a clause. Sorry, preposition of a clause. So preposition like at, after, before, since, below, etc. These are the preposition where we can take, and etc. means many more are there. You can take that by for changing compound into simple sentence. So example will make the concept more clear. He completed his presentation and left the room. Here again, here in this sentence we have the two event, that is he completed his presentation and he left the room, and both sentences are joined by using coordinating conjunction, that is and. So it is example of compound sentence. Let's see how we have changed. So here we have used the preposition, that is after completing his presentation he left the room. So it is example of simple sentence. Hope you have understood the concept, how to change, how to transform the sentences into the next form. Let's move towards the next. So transformation of compound sentence into simple sentence by using infinitive or finite verb. So infinitive means there are three types of infinitive, that is bare infinitive, full infinitive and adverbial infinitive. So that we call as split infinitive. So here we can take the example of full infinitive. We can take the help of bare infinitive or full infinitive. Bare means V1, the original form of the verb, and full infinitive means to add to with the verb. So here is the example. India must explore all its possibilities or it will not develop rapidly. Here again two events are there and it is being joined by word or, that is coordinating conjunction. So let's see how we have changed. India must explore all its possibility in order to. So here we have used, that is infinitive. So infinitive verb we have used to change the compound sentence into a simple sentence. India must explore all its possibility in order to develop. So to develop becomes what? To develop becomes the full infinitive, that is 2 plus V1. So to develop rapidly. So the sentence, the compound sentence becomes simple sentence by using the full infinitive. Hope you have understood. Let's move towards the next, that is transformation of compound sentence into a complex sentence. How to change compound sentence into complex? So, to transform a compound sentence into a complex one, make the second clause the main clause and the first clause the dependent clause. How? Means the second clause, the sentence have the two parts, principal and the dependent. So what we have to do, that the second one should become the main clause and the first one become the dependent clause. Let's see, the concept will become easier by seeing the example. Practice the steps or you will lose the competition. Again, two event, practice the steps. Second is you will lose the competition. There are two events and both are joined by using coordinating conjunction or, therefore it is an example of compound. So how to become a to transform compound into complex, what is the need? That is, it should have one principal clause and one or more subordinating clause. So let's see, unless you practice the steps you will lose the competition. Here it is complex sentence. Why? Just again go through the rule, what it says, that is, make the second clause the main clause and the first clause the dependent clause. Just see, the first clause means that this one, first clause, here the practice the step. So what we have to do with the first clause, we have to change this into the first part of the sentence into a dependent clause. Means some subordinating conjunction should be added in front of this and the rest, the next part of the sentence, it should become the principal clause to transform the compound into complex. Here we did the same. Unless you practice the steps, you will lose the competition. The next part, just see, it is a principal clause. Now it has become the principal clause and the first part has become the dependent clause. One more example. Yes, he is intelligent, but he is humble. Again, we have two part. Here we have he is intelligent. The second part is he is humble. So what we have to do? We have to make the second part as the principal clause and the first part as a dependent clause. Means something to be added here to make the com compound into complex. So let's see the answer. Although he is intelligent, he is humble. Now the compound sentence has become a complex sentence by adding although. So there are lot of list of and subordinating conjunction. We can use them uh, to make a compound into complex sentence. Hope you have understood. Let's move towards the next. That is transformation of complex sentence into simple sentence. How we will do? By substituting noun with noun clause. Next, how to do? Just see the example. Substituting noun with noun clause. Just see here. Amit admitted that he was guilty. So, how we will do? Amit admitted his guilt. Here, in this way, we have changed. So, we have how to, by substituting nouns, means here, noun we have used with noun clause. Here, that we have removed that and we have removed he pronoun and we have just used the used pronoun, that is his. Amit admitted his guilt and it has changed from complex to simple sentence. Second is by replacing adjective clause by adjective. Just let's see. The man who works hard receives a sound sleep. Here we are talking about the man who works hard. So how we will do? Here again it is a adjective clause. Just see how we are changing. The hardworking man. Here it was an adjective clause. Why adjective clause? Because who tells about what? The man, that is noun. Man is noun here. Therefore, any word that tells about noun tells something about noun. It is adjective. So, what we are doing? Just we are replacing the adjective clause by adjective. So, here just see we have used the adjective word. That is hardworking man. The man who hard works. Here we have changed the entire word into adjective, that is hardworking man receives a sound sleep. The next is by replacing adverb clause by infinitive. So how? Example, they were delighted when they heard the plan. So they were delighted. So here when is telling about what? About the delight. Delight is verb. So therefore it is a adverb clause. So by replacing the adverb clause by infinitive. So how? They were delighted to. That is full infinitive. Here we have used to hear the plan. And the complex sentence has changed to simple sentence. Hope you have understood. Let's move toward the next. That is how to transform the complex sentence into compound sentence. First, while transforming a complex sentence into compound sentence, one must place the main clause at the end of the sentence and the dependent clause at the beginning. So he gathered the confidence that he had lost. So this is the example of what? It is the example of complex. So here again two event, he have gathered the confidence, and that has been used subordinating conjunction with the subordinating clause. Just see how we are changing. He had lost his confidence, but he gathered it. So what we are doing here, just again analyze the sentence, the rule, that is while transforming a complex sentence into compound sentence, we have to do what? We have to place the main clause at the end of the sentence and the dependent clause at the beginning. So he gathered the confidence. It has been transferred here. He gathered it, and that he had lost. So we have to move this part of the sentence at the beginning, because this is what? Subordinating conjunction. So it will come at the beginning of the sentence. He had lost his confidence, but he gathered it. So the sentence have changed from complex to compound by interchanging their place. So next one, we pray that we experience peace. It is again a complex sentence because subordinating conjunction and also principal clause here, and then here subordinating conjunction, clause. So how we did? We desire to experience peace, therefore we pray. Again we have shifted this part, the first part of the sentence, to the end of the sentence, at the end part of the previous sentence, that is complex sentence, into the first part of the sentence. So the complex sentence have changed into compound sentence. Let's move towards next. Here we have ended. So let's quickly revise what we have learned today's session. That is, we have learned about how to transform the sentence. The first, simple sentence into compound sentence. I have told about it. So compound sentence into simple sentence. Next, simple sentence into complex sentence, complex into simple, and compound sentence into complex. And last, complex sentence into compound sentence. Hope you have enjoyed the video, and also you have learned, your doubts have been cleared now. I expect that. So thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. And also please press the bell icon for the notification, so that whenever I upload new video, you could come to know about it. You could get the notification. Okay, bye.